Wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset, habits, and the courage to take control of your financial destiny. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth? Why you're not rich yet and how to change that? The pursuit of wealth is a journey that many embark on, but few truly master. If you've ever wondered why you're not rich yet, the answer lies in a combination of mindset, habits, and strategies that may be holding you back. The good news: wealth is not reserved for a select few. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn, adapt, and take consistent action. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the key reasons why you're not rich yet and provide actionable steps to help you change that. 1. You're stuck in the scarcity mindset. One of the biggest barriers to wealth is a scarcity mindset. This is the belief that there's never enough money, opportunities, or resources. When you operate from a place of lack, you make decisions based on fear rather than abundance. For example, you might avoid investing because you're afraid of losing money, or you might hoard cash instead of putting it to work. The solution: shift to an abundance mindset. Start by focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. Practice gratitude, visualize your financial goals, and remind yourself that opportunities for wealth are limitless. 2. You're not investing in yourself. Wealthy individuals understand that their greatest asset is themselves. If you're not investing in your education, skills, and personal growth, you're limiting your earning potential. Whether it's taking a course, reading books, or attending seminars, continuous learning is key to unlocking new opportunities. Remember, the more you know, the more you can grow. Start by identifying areas where you can improve, whether it's financial literacy, communication skills, or technical expertise, and commit to lifelong learning. 3. You're living beyond your means. Living beyond your means is a surefire way to stay broke. If you're spending more than you earn, you're trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress. The first step to breaking free is creating a budget. Track your income and expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize needs over wants, and avoid lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as your income grows. Instead, focus on saving and investing the difference. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. 4. You're not taking calculated risks. Wealth rarely comes from playing it safe. While it's important to be prudent, avoiding all risks can prevent you from achieving financial success. Whether it's starting a business, investing in the stock market, or pursuing a new career path, taking calculated risks is essential for growth. The key is to educate yourself, assess the potential rewards and downsides, and make informed decisions. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace uncertainty as a stepping stone to success. 5. You lack clear financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly. Wealthy individuals have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and a plan to get there. Start by setting specific, measurable, and time-bound goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," set a goal like, "I want to save $100,000 in the next 5 years." Break your goals into smaller, actionable steps, and track your progress regularly. Having a roadmap will keep you focused and motivated. 6. You're not leveraging compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Yet, many people fail to take advantage of this powerful wealth-building tool. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time, but it requires patience and consistency. Start investing early, even if it's a small amount, and let time work in your favor. Whether it's through stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts, make compound interest a cornerstone of your financial strategy. 7. You're surrounding yourself with the wrong people. Your environment plays a significant role in your financial success. If you're surrounded by people who spend recklessly or have a negative attitude toward money, it's time to reevaluate your circle. Seek out mentors, friends, and communities that inspire and challenge you to grow. Surround yourself with individuals who have achieved the financial success you aspire to, and learn from their experiences. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. 8. You're not diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. If that income stream dries up, you're left vulnerable. Wealthy individuals diversify their income by creating multiple streams, whether it's through investments, side hustles, or passive income sources. Start by exploring ways to supplement your primary income. This could include freelancing, starting a blog, or investing in rental properties. The more diversified your income, the more secure and resilient your financial future. 9. You're procrastinating. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. If you keep putting off financial decisions, whether it's saving, investing, or paying off debt, you're delaying your path to wealth. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to achieve your goals. Take action today, no matter how small. Open that savings account, start that side hustle, or enroll in that course. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is now. 10. You're not practicing patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Many people give up too soon because they expect instant results. The truth is, wealth accumulation takes time, discipline, and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow. Celebrate small wins along the way, and keep your eyes on the long-term prize. Patience, combined with consistent effort, will eventually pay off. Motivational paragraph. The journey to wealth begins with a single step, a decision to take control of your financial future. It won't always be easy, and there will be challenges along the way, but every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and never stop striving for greatness. Remember, the only thing standing between you and the life you desire is the courage to start and the determination to keep going. Your wealth is waiting, go claim it.